Ashley and Nicole here at Renown Cargo Trailers, and we've got an amazing 8.5x20 concession trailer to show you today. We have the 60-inch extended triple tube tongue, which gives you room to put a generator someday if you'd like to. It also gives you better turning radius and maneuverability with the trailer, so that's an awesome upgrade to have. On the corners here we have the smooth anodized rounded corners here. We did the flat nose on this trailer. This trailer also comes with your 040 white exterior metal, and we also did the semi-screwless upgrade on it as well. So it's more durable and it gives it a sleeker, smoother look. And it's great for when you're doing logos or wrapping the trailer as well. You've got minimal screws here, but you've got the durability of screw and glue.
All right, we also have your dump valve right here for your dirty wastewater where you can empty your tanks. Easy access. All right, so this trailer comes with your 5,200 pound axles as well. Those come with your 6-year warranty. We have your exterior GFI. You always want to put these on the outside just in case you want to plug in anything on the exterior. 36-inch side door. It has a 15x30 slider window inside as well. We also included up here your flush 6-inch exterior light that gives you lighting on the exterior as well. We did the barn doors, which makes it easier to open and close when you're in those tight places at festivals and stuff. And also you can actually load and unload any type of appliance, big or small, whereas with the ramp door, you're limited on your space, and if you do a single door back here, you're limited as to what size appliances you can actually get in and out of the door. So it's really a handy feature to do is the barn doors on any concession trailer. Right, so on this particular trailer, we chose to do two 3x5 serving windows. So it comes with your concession door, which also acts as an awning as well, which is pretty handy. And then it comes with your glass and screen in here as well, which most people need to pass code and to pass inspection in most states. The 13-inch LED light bars up here. So like when your customers are outside waiting for their food and it's nighttime, it lights everything up so it's safer. With children and families around, so everything's lit up, it's not dangerous, and they can see while you're making that money, pulling it in, serving it out, you know, everything's lit up and you can see and you're safe. So that's Alright guys, so let's go check out the interior. Alright guys, as you're building your trailer, it's very important to have your window wherever you'll have easy access to your customers so they can see when they're ordering their food as well. This one is actually 36 inches off the finished floor. Just be sure just to ask your sales rep about how far you would need it off the floor, because that is very important as you're going to be vending and selling your food.
On this trailer you have your NSF approved 3-compartment sink along with your hand wash sink. Now this is commercial grade appliances, which is what you'll need again to be able to pass inspection and get your license to vend and everything. They actually have the drain board on them as well. We offer the sinks with and without, but this is a really good thing to have. And most states, most counties in most states do require you to have the drain boards on them. It also has your full water system under here, your freshwater tank as well as your waste tank. It also has your 6-gallon hot water heater, all your plumbing and everything you need to be able to operate the trailer.
It comes with two 4-foot LED lights, but we've added 2 more for this package. As you see, the recessed LED lights for the ceiling. We also here have your 15,000 BTU AC. You have an option as well doing the wall mount thermostat, or you can manually cut it on and off as well. We have your non-powered roof vent as well. That gives you plenty of ventilation. You can open that up and that'll actually remove some of the heat from your trailer while you're cooking as well.
Added extra recess. We found doing this for quite a while that you can really never have too many receptacles, especially in a food trailer or a vending trailer. And these we did some of them 48 inches above trailer floor. And when you're ordering your trailer, you can actually specify, hey, I need those up high or I need those down low. Because we have some over here that we mounted down low for smaller stuff or things that don't need to be very tall. So we did additional ones. Another thing up here by the sink area, we did the GFI receptacles. You always need to have your GFI receptacles anywhere near water. Again, that will affect your passing code and inspection and everything. So we did 2 here, which makes it convenient so you've got power sources up near the sink as well.
Particular unit in customer, we've got your R2P flooring. Anytime you're going to be cooking food or the floor, you're going to have easy cleanup. You want to go with your R2P flooring. It helps with your tread as well, and it's easy cleanup. We've done. All right, so we also have your white metal walls here. It's really easy cleanup. It gives it a nice, crisp, clean look as well. I do highly recommend the white metal. It looks great, as you can see. Trailers got your insulated walls and ceilings. Anytime you're doing your AC or you're going to have your heater running as well, so it just helps you stay cool or it helps you stay warm in the wintertime.
As you can see, I'm really short, so it looks really tall, but that is something you definitely want to do, is add additional height. On this trailer, it's 7 foot tall, because when you get your appliances and you get people in here working, it's going to feel very cramped very quickly. So you also want to make sure you always do additional height. This one's 7 foot. We recommend 7 foot or even 7.5 foot. And it comfortably houses most appliances like refrigerators, drink coolers, and things like that. Joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our video and this awesome concession trailer we have. Don't forget, visit our website at www.renowncargotrailers.com
Or give us a call at 1-888-287-3954. Also, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube page. Thanks, guys, and thanks for viewing, and hope you have a blessed day.
Don't forget, Jesus is always there on the scene, ready to give you hope. In times of desperation, He's always there. He's just a prayer away. Have a blessed day.